Hello everyone, welcome back to pouring my art out. I know I've been absent. I had to have surgery and I was in a lot of pain, but I'm back. This is one of the things I got from Temu, and I know you all are excited to see, the ones that have watched my Temu haul. I'm going to take some UV resin and mix up some glitter. If I can get this lid off. These are so hard to get off. Okay. Ooh, that may be too much. Let's see. Let's give that a mix. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit more. That's better. I'm going to put it in this little heart. I love this mold. That's some intricate work there. I guess the glitter's a little too thick, because it's not really going to the edges. So I'm having to move it. All right, that looks good. So I'm going to cure it from the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to mix up some resin. I'll be back. All right, guys, we are back. I'm going to make the bird a baby blue. And by doing that, I'm going to add a blue pigment. I put 11 drops in there. I have 2 ounces mixed. Then I'm going to add some ocean white. Maybe. Come on. There it comes. Because I do want it opaque also. That should be enough. Let's get that mixed up. I love the baby blue. This is actually like a cornflower blue. Still has some brightness to it. Make sure all that white is mixed in. Yeah, that's pretty. I'll give him a little spray. I don't like to spray new molds, but don't want bubbles either. All right, let's give him a pour. Want to leave a little space. Actually, no, I don't really need to on him. Let's go ahead and dome him. And I think he is domed. This is interesting. See this right here? That's going to be a hole all the way to the other side of the bird. That's where his eye is going to go, and I think one of my glass eyes would be perfect for that. All right, so I got a little extra here. And I don't know what this is, but we'll get it. I'm not sure what that is. Some kind of black something or other. Okay. Another spray. Now let's move on to his little house. If I can move him. All right. I got 3 ounces here. I'm going to mix up some red, of course, for his little house. Love this red. Isn't that pretty? So shiny. I ordered some more. I ordered 4 different pastes. Okay. Now, we are going to give the house a little spray. And pour. Pretty simple. This is such a cute project. Whoa. little tiny more. Not much. I do want this domed also, because I'm not going to, well, that'll all come off. I'm not going to do a back coat on it. I got some of that left. So this takes, gosh, not much at all. It takes a total of 3.5 ounces. It looked bigger than that. But I'm glad I mixed up more than I need instead of having to make some more up or back coat this. Now all I have to do is wait. I'm going to make something else with the blue and the red. Don't know what, but we will figure it out. I'll see y'all soon. Hello everyone, welcome back to pouring my art out. This is cured, so we're gonna go ahead and get it out. Start to decorate. How cute is that? Look at that. Oh, it comes out extremely easy. Yes. This little guy fits like this. Oh, it's cute just like that, but I do want to decorate it just a little bit. Right. I'm going to start by gluing an eye on here. Make sure. Actually, it goes right through. Oh my goodness. Okay, we may have to do it from this side. Let me see. Just get some glue around it. And then let it cure, I guess. Am I in focus? Alright. I'm taking some, what is this? B7000. Okay, that should do it on that side. Now, we got to wait for that to set up, and we'll go with something else then. I got the pink flowers to put on the bird, and then these kind of burgundy-ish colors I think would be pretty on here if I can find small enough one. Here we go. Here's some nice small ones. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know if I want to. I don't know. I may just leave it with the eyeball. But I'm gonna have to do something with the bird. Because of his other eyeball. Okay, I think that we will do a flower over his eyeball. Yeah, that's not going to work because there's a little bump there for some reason. So let's get that off. But that's kind of cute for the back oven. Do a small one. I guess we'll have to glue the other eye on there. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. I'm just going to place these, wait for that to set up. Make sure it's straight, because right now it doesn't look like it is. There we go. And we'll be back. Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to show you what I've done so far on this. Of course, I haven't done anything to this. I don't think I'm going to. I have put in its eye, and that worked out perfectly. I put some black stripes on his tail. There is an indentation. I'm going to go ahead and do this part as well. And then I did these pretty flowers. Aren't they pretty? And did stick his eye on this one. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So it'll be drying before I put it on there. I like the tips on these. And it's just called acrylic paint marker. Of course, it came from Temu because there is no brand name. There we go. Simple as that. I absolutely love him. You could hang him outside your kitchen window. How cute would that be? If you wanted to, you can really hang them anywhere, but I think outside a kitchen window would be really cute. All right, that's it for now. I'll see y'all soon.